In view of our Nexo cost forecast, the cost of Nexo will cross the $1.2 mark toward the finish of 2023. As per our Nexo cost forecast 2025, the eventual fate of Nexo token is brilliant, and it could raise a ruckus around town mark. Our Nexo cost expectation 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $6. At present, Nexo's cost is exchanging around 64 cents, which is practically 5% down from the last week. Regardless of the negative feeling, Nexo holds the possibility to recuperate and could hit $2 by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for Nexo expectation, our Inside and Out examination intends to respond to your inquiries like, is Nexo a wise speculation? How high could Nexo at any point go? Where to purchase Nexo? Before we start with an itemized Nexo conjecture, we should plunge into the coin's outline. What makes Nexo extraordinary? Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-upheld credits to clients. These advances don't need a FICO rating, and this element makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure a moment advance in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo survey here. After storing, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is vital. Clients can spend from their acknowledge line whenever for the Nexo card, or pull out straightforwardly to their financial balance. The whole structure of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges, and 2. Working with a smooth coordination with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore, as a wise speculation choice. A striking element of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Nexo, specialized examination. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is generally reliant upon value development and request and supply, and is exceptionally weak, despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists change as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, a significant leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backer interest. Nonetheless, it stamped nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo scaled above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight rectification and retested the $0.5 mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary standards showed a horrendous presentation. The Nexo cost displayed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and showing an extraordinary flood in force, with no Nexo cost drop understanding, starting from the start of 2021. In any case, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was adjusted ceaselessly, and it shut the year around $0.622. Starting from the start of 2023, the Nexo token has enlisted an unpredictable development. Toward the finish of January 2023, it has arrived at a pinnacle of 85 cents. Afterward, it confronted a sharp dive and tumbled to 60 cents. Notwithstanding, from that point forward, the Nexo token has figured out how to safeguard its force and exchanged the reach from 63 cents to 74 cents till date. Nexo holds potential to recuperate essentially as it stays over its help of 60 cents. We should investigate what crypto specialists think about the eventual fate of Nexo. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a supportability advantage that impacts Nexo's estimate, contrasted with conventional monetary forms. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around 64 cents, with a 24H value change of plus 0.43%, and a 24-hour volume of $3,723,053, with a market cap of $359,510,732. There is as of now a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In light of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost forecast for 2023 is $0.124. According to the Gauge Information Examination, the cost of Nexo is supposed to cross the degree of $1.5. Before the year's over, Nexo is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.68. Financial backers and holders of crypto resources should know the cost of Nexo in 2023. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.06, and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.89 and a low of $1.77 in 2025, according to the Nexo cost forecast. The future cost of Nexo token is anticipated at $2.62, 302.291% following a year as indicated by our Nexo cost forecast. Nexo value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. In view of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base cost of Nexo token may be around 60 cents, while the most extreme cost might be around $1.2. Nexo expectation 2024 as indicated by the examination and Nexo cost forecast for 2024, it is forecasted that the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.15. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.32. Overall, the normal exchanging cost may be $1.23 during 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 out of 2025, Nexo coin could check the benchmark year, as the greatest cost of Nexo is gauged to outperform $2 definitely. In view of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base extended cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $1.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $1.7 during 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost figure in view of specialized examination and past information, the Nexo cost could leap to about $3.1 by 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.3 and $2.7 individually. Nexo coin value expectation 2027. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are Nexo forecasts that the coin could record a most extreme value level of $4.4 in 2027. The greatest cost of Nexo might be around $3.2. By and large, the Nexo cost may be $3.5 during 2027. Nexo expectations 2028. Considering our Nexo figure for 2028, the inside and out greatest cost of Nexo token may be around $5.2. The base cost for Nexo is anticipated to be roughly $4.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $4.7 during 2028. Nexo figure 2029. As per our Nexo cost forecast, the token is supposed to exchange at least cost of $5.55, with a greatest cost of $6.25. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $5.9. Nexo value expectation 2030 Nexo coin